Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe. Yeah, every day, right here. Every day you park right there, blocking the school bus in a fire lane. Blocking a school bus. Just for the police department, I'll make sure that this goes.
You're recording my kids on video, that's fine.
In public.
So, where is the lampshade now?
You know, it's in a safe place, and nobody's going to find it. I'm the only one that knows where it is. But should anybody want to take up the investigation of the mysterious lampshade of Buchenwald/New Orleans, I'll be...
At gmail.com. That's gonesouthpodcast@gmail.com. For bonus content, you can follow us on Facebook. Written and narrated by me, Jed Lipinski. Our executive producers are Leah Reese-Dennis, Maddie Sprung-Kaiser, and Lloyd Locke.
What are you doing? What are you doing, stupid old Asian lady? You're blocked. Please, go get pulled over. Yeah. Driving the wrong way.
45 miles an hour, 4 miles. Oh my God. Develops psoriatic arthritis, which causes joint pain, stiffness, and listen to what it sounds like. You must your associations. Maybe you need to go back to home. Go certificate. Somebody need to get their money. Holy shit.
We will rise up and we follow the path where we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.